Hi there, it's Suzanne here today with a tutorial on assembling the Quietfire gift card box. Now there's getting to be quite a collection of these layered boxes, and they're perfect for giving away, or they can just be simple decorations that hang around your house and cheer people up. So they all come with a print and cut label for the top, and you can put it on or you can leave it off. And on the back, there is a pocket perfectly sized for a standard gift card. So here's how we're going to assemble this. We're going to fold each of the perforated score lines, and then we're going to burnish them down with a bone folder, which gives a really good crease. Flip the box over and apply some double-sided adhesive to the tab. Burnish it down with the bone folder and the release paper will come off more easily. Assemble the box, and it doesn't really matter which side is up and down. The slits aren't perfectly centered, but that's all right. And place the box bottom side up, doesn't matter which side. All you need is glue dots, and I put one on each of the tabs. And then tuck them inside. Then press down on each side of the box, right where the glue dot should adhere, just to make sure that it is sticking. Okay, now we have the inserts all cut and assembled. All the little bits of the snowman are in place. And now we're going to put the inserts inside the box, and all you need to do is to flex them a little bit. And sometimes there's bits and pieces of the insert that will catch on the side of the box. You just have to be a little bit careful. And then you're going to place the sides of the insert through the slots in the box. Now it doesn't really matter whether you put the back insert in first or the front insert in first. The thinner the paper, the more it'll flex. But that's not always what you want. Some designs might flop a little bit once they get inside the box, and that's because the paper or cardstock is too thin. Sometimes you have to work a little harder than others to get the inserts to fit perfectly, but once they're in place, they're just fine. Then we're going to repeat what we did on the bottom, and that is add glue dots to the tabs, and then we're going to close the box. And there it is. Now that back layer of snowflake is actually a matte gold color, but it looks brown in the video. Sorry about that. It looks really cool in person. And I've used the same paper to cut the background for the print and cut label. And you'll take that, assemble it, and attach it to the top of the box. That's if you want to. You don't have to do that. And this is my secret weapon. It's called Undo. It's a solvent that releases the stickiness of a dry adhesive, and you can apply it even to photos, and it will inactivate the sticky for a while, and you can remove something and straighten it, and then the sticky will come back and you can reposition it. I can't live without it. The last step is to add the pocket to the back of the box, and I've already added double-sided adhesive to 3 sides. And we're just going to strip off the release paper. Now line this up with the bottom of the box, Otherwise, when you stick the gift card in, it might stick over the top of the box, which might be a look you want too. Then it's more obviously a gift card box. So there we have the little box with the pocket in the back and the label on the top, and it's all ready to give to somebody. Isn't that a great idea? I just love these boxes. That's why I make so many. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you assemble your own little gift card boxes. If you'd like to keep in touch, just click on the subscribe button and click the little bell too, and then you'll get notified when I make a new video. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.